Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online Class 7. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher. I hope you might be safe and sound with your families and enjoying online classes. Today is lecture number 51, Unit 4, the CAREW murder case. You know, these days we are doing its exercises. Today we'll start with part B. Part B is working with words. Question number 1. Question number 1 is use the following words and expressions in sentences of your own. A. In the small hours. ये वो वक्त होता है जब आधी रात के बाद का वक्त स्टार्ट होता है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इन द स्मॉल आवर्स. इट स्टार्टेड टू रेन इन द स्मॉल आवर्स. बी. ड्राइंग नियर. 14th August is drawing near. 14th August is drawing near. C. Trifling with. He sat trifling with the burnt bread in his plate. He sat trifling with the burnt bread in his. D. Without doubt. Ahmad is an honest boy without doubt. Ahmad is an honest boy without doubt. E. No sooner had. No sooner had he reached home than it started to rain. No sooner had he reached home than it started to rain. F. Circumstances. His financial circumstances are not good. His financial circumstances are not good. G. Ambition. He has high ambition in his life. He has high ambition in his life. H. Last but not the least, odious good taste. He has developed an odious good taste for coffee. He has developed an odious good taste for coffee. That's all of today's lecture, dear students. You will all write these words and expressions and their usage in your notebooks. If you have any problem, if you have any question, you may contact me in the feedback group. I'll be there to answer your questions. Till some next lecture, take a very good care of yourself and your dear ones. Thank you very much.